If you're still losing money in trading in 2026, it's not because you're stupid, it's because you're doing the wrong thing over and over again. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to do to become profitable in 2026. Before we dive down to it, do well to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we're posting amazing content like this. Before talking about profits, let's talk about what is killing you in the market. I'll be listing 5 things that will actually affect your trading. Number 1, we have over trading. Secondly, we have trading without a plan. Thirdly, we have chasing signals. Fourthly, risking too much per trade. And fifth, we have trading every single pair and every single session. And if you don't fix this, nothing else matters. Part 1, master only one strategy. Most profitable traders do not know every strategy. They just stick to one and then be good at it. What you need to do is to pick one particular strategy, be it break and retest, supply and demand, smart money concept, which I'm currently using right now. And what you need to know is that all strategy works in the Forex market. And secondly, trade 1 or 2 pairs only, so you'll be able to master the pairs very well. Also, you need to trade one particular time frame. What you should be focusing on is either you trade the higher time frame buyers or you trade the lower time frame entries. And guys, always remember, consistency beats complexity. Part 3, what you need to do is to apply proper risk management. What does this mean? It means if you have, let's say, $10,000 account, what you need to do is to risk 1% or less of that account. So in that way, even though you're in losing streak for a while, you will still not be able to blow that account in a short period of time. And also under it, you have to use stop loss. Most people feel they are too good. They don't use stop loss on their trades. So you have to use stop loss on your trade and avoid taking random trades. One good trade is better than many random trades. The goal is to protect your capital. That's your real edge. Part 4, treat trading like a business. So the way for you to treat trading like a business is, number 1, you have to have a trading plan. The reason you need a trading plan is to keep track of when you trade, what you trade, and also when not to trade. Secondly, you need to journal. Every single trade you take, you need to journal, so you'll be able to assess it at the end of the week to know your errors and what you're failing to do. It will enable you to grow better. Fourthly, you need to preview your losses. So at the end of every week, as a good businessman, you check what the profit you've made, your losses. That's the only way you can treat trading like a business. You go through what you have journaled, the wins, the losses, what causes losses, you check. What were you doing wrong? You also check. So part 5, we have psychology. Psychology will break you. This is one of the most hardest things to conquer in trading. Your psychology. You can be very good at your strategy, but psychology again can also affect you, your emotions. Most traders fail not because of strategy, but because of they don't know how to manage their emotions while trading. These are the ways to avoid it. Number 1, learn the act of being patient. Most people cannot just wait for their trade to get to their entry before executing. They just want to just take random trades or counter trend to their entry and then end up blowing their account before the trade actually reach their entry. Secondly, accept the loss. Losses is part of the game. Most times if you take losses, just wave it off. Do not trade for that day, just go off, turn the machine off. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Thirdly, do not revenge trade. Most people revenge trade, trying to recover what they have lost in a short period of time and then end up blowing their account or losing more than they should. Fourthly, you need to follow your rules even after a loss. That's one of the most difficult things to do because your psychology will be already messed up. After you have taken a couple of losses, you might lack discipline and may want to revenge trade. Well, that's all in your head. You just need to be able to overcome all this for you to be a very successful trader. And remember, Discipline pays more than talent. Finally, part 6, set realistic expectations. Most people don't set realistic expectations. Like you're seeing somebody trying to get a 1:30 RR on a single trade. That is unrealistic. Despite it's possible, but the chances of it being possible at that time, despite it's possible sometimes, but that's not realistic at all. Or trying to flip a very small account instead of trying to compound. You're trying to flip a very small account into a big account, like maybe trying to flip $10 to $1,000 in a single trade. You end up blowing the account before being able to do that. You have to tell yourself the truth. You won't get rich overnight in trading. Secondly, always remember that small, consistent gains compound over time. So you just need to be disciplined and stick to your plan. Thirdly, focus on the process and not on money. Once you remove your mind from money, you notice the emotions are no longer there. Once you do all this, just know that profitability awaits you. So that is what you need to put into consideration before you become profitable. If you want to become profitable in 2026, start trading smarter, not harder. If you find value in this content, please do well to like and subscribe to and comment discipline in the comment section if you're serious about trading. Thanks and goodbye.